Hi, I'm Amos with Ramco, and what you see here is one of our enhanced services projects. Our customer was looking for a way to divert condiment cups coming single file down a conveyor belt into 3 lanes for packing. So, we designed and built a system to do just that. We've set up the controls and actuator on this conveyor for testing and demonstration. As you can see, the cups are detected by this sensor, which sends a signal to the PLC and HMI in this enclosure. When enough cups have gone by, the controller actuates this pneumatic 3-position actuator to divert cups into the next lane. The number of cups per lane is adjustable from the HMI, as is the delay time for the actuator movement. The actuator can also be directed manually from the HMI. The enclosure itself is non-metallic and has a translucent lid, which allows the HMI to be seen while protecting the internal components from water. The speed of the actuator is changed with these flow controls. This project incorporated products from many of the suppliers we represent, such as Banner, SMC, Unitronics, and more. We specialize in custom automation solutions like these. So if you're interested in automating or upgrading a process, contact Ramco today.